Today I would like to discuss about PHP functions. You already know the function from C programming language. A function is a piece of code which takes one more input in the form of parameter and does some processing and returns a value. Here inbuilt functions are available in PHP and user defined functions. Creating PHP function. Here see the example how to create a function in PHP. Here one heading writing PHP function, then PHP tag, declare one function which name is write message. Here one statement is there, echo you are a really nice person, have a nice time. One sentence is there in this write message function. For calling that function we have to use write message and it will display the message which given in the function. We have to embed PHP into HTML and using PHP tag you have to declare a function. Another PHP functions with parameters. Live demo is available also on tutorials point. Here after execution it will display a message. It will take some time. Here functions, PHP functions with parameters. We have to pass the parameters in function. Function, add function, two parameters are there, $num1 and $num2. Definition of function is $sum is equal to $num1 plus $num2. Sum of the two numbers is, here it will display $sum. Two variables are there, we have to pass values for two variables when function is calling. Add function 10, 20, it will goes to num1, num2 and it will do sum and return the sum. Sum of the two numbers is 30. Here first program, it will display a message, you are really nice person, have a nice time. Here we have to directly pass the values, but here passing argument by reference. What are the differences here? Function, two functions are there, add 5 and add 6. Function add 5 one parameter, function add 6 one parameter. Then we have to assign value for one variable. Add 5, you have to pass that variable instead of value, reference of this variable for the function. Therefore it is called passing argument by reference. We have to store the value to one variable and pass the reference of that variable, original number. Then add 6 also we have to pass that reference. It will display original value is 10 and original value is 10 plus 6, 16. When you call this function it will execute this line, and when you call add 6 it will add 6. PHP functions with returning value. Return statement, we can return any value from the function. Then function, add function, two parameters, return $sum, it will return a value. Return value is equal to $return value is equal to add function 1020. Whenever this function is called, it returns value of sum, and sum is stored into $return value. Then return value from the function is 30. It will store 30. You can return more than one value from a function using return array. If you return array, it will give more than one value. Setting default values for function parameters. Suppose function caller doesn't pass the value to the function, then we have to have set a parameter to have a default value. If value is not passed by the caller, then it will assign a default value. If function caller doesn't pass any value, it will display null. Suppose here function print me $param is equal to null. Print $param. This is the definition, and default value is null. Whenever the function calls here, it will pass the value. This is test. It will display this is test, but default value is null. If function caller not pass any value, it will display null, empty string. Here dynamic function calls. Dynamic function calls, here you have to assign function names as strings to variables, and then treat these variables exactly as you would the function name itself. Means first we have to assign the function name to any other variable and treat that variable as a function. Here function say hello, echo hello. This is definition of a function. Then $function holder is one variable which we have to assign a function to that variable, and then we have to use that variable as a function. $function holder semicolon, it will work as a treat as a function. This variable becomes a function. Therefore we have to call function holder and function parenthesis. It will display hello. I hope you all are understood all the function types. First we have to define the function, regular function with parameters, passing arguments by reference, PHP functions returning value, and setting default values for function parameters, and dynamic function calls. Thank you.